Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Welcome, new chief, to the world of Clash of Clans. Even in 2025, this incredible strategy game continues to captivate millions globally. You'll build a mighty village, train powerful troops, and engage in thrilling battles. This beginner's guide is designed to help you quickly understand the core mechanics and start your journey strong, ensuring you're ready for everything the updated game has to offer. Your village is your home base, the heart of your empire. Begin by upgrading your town hall, as this unlocks new buildings and features. Focus early on your resource collectors, like elixir and gold mines, because these provide the vital resources needed for all your upgrades. Don't forget to build army camps and barracks to start training your first troops, getting you ready for battle. Attacking is how you earn more resources and trophies. Look for inactive bases that have full resource collectors on the outside, making them easy targets. When deploying troops, try to funnel them effectively so they target defenses and then the center of the base. Your goal is always to achieve 3 stars, which ensures you get all possible resources and a clean victory. A strong defense is crucial to protecting your hard-earned resources. Prioritize upgrading your defensive structures like cannons, archer towers, and mortars to fend off enemy raids. Design a compact base layout that keeps your town hall and valuable storages well protected behind layers of walls. Smart placement ensures your resources are safe when you're offline. Clash of Clans is even better when you play with others. Joining an active clan provides incredible benefits, like requesting powerful donated troops for your attacks and defenses. Participate in clan wars, a thrilling team-based mode where you battle other clans for massive rewards and glory. Being part of a clan truly enhances your game experience, making it much more social and strategic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.